Shoritap campaign po natin, ma'am, actually it started with me volunteering sa Shoritap in Puerto Galera around 2011. So
Mayor na po kayo noon ng Del Carmen.
Opo. It was first time for me in government. So I wanted to understand different programs and partnerships, how it works both in public and private sector. So kasama po 'yon, nag-volunteer po ako sa Puerto Galera. And from then on, dahan-dahan po, nakikipag-usap kami kay Ma'am Melody and with MPIC kung ano yung mga pwede nating gawing programs in Siargao. One of the key things that was attractive to them was Del Carmen po hosts the largest contiguous mangrove reserve in the country. So hindi po yun alam ng marami. At 5,000 hectares na single block, yun po ang pinakamalaking bakawan natin. It is home to a variety of species. Lalo na pong pinakasikat namin is yung crocodile, saltwater crocodiles, na medyo marami-rami at malalaki ang nandun. Ngayon po, with the program, we started off trying to get people to be more involved in the idea of environmental management. Kasi for the longest time po, ang iniisip ng mga tao sa amin, parang infinite yung resources. Kasi lagi kang nakakuha ng masasarap na isda, ng seafoods, ng crabs, not realizing na nauubos din yan. So when we started educating them, we tried to figure out different ways and means on how to make it more appealing for them to participate in the program. So we launched a year-long campaign po. Actually, hindi ho siya one-time event. Yan po yung kagandahan ng partnership natin sa Shoritap. It's a year-long campaign. We did several programs. It culminated a week after Yolanda po. Yan po yung ating Siargao Itap, Run for the Mangroves. So for the first time, we hosted the half marathon in Siargao Islands, and it was widely participated by people from Manila, from Surigao City, from Mindanao, from the Visayas, really pushing what the mangroves and biodiversity can do for your place. It was proven also because of our mangroves po, medyo na-save po kami nung ating malalakas na bagyo na dumadaan sa Pilipinas. So scientifically po, sabi nila, dahil daw sa backhoe, we were able to push up the air. So hindi siya bumabagsak. Kaya hindi po kami tinatamaan ng bagyo.
Ganun pala ang silbi ng mangrove. Hindi lang pala tirahan ng mga iba't ibang marine species. Ito pala, pwede rin maging panghadlang sa bagyo.
Opo.
Kesa maglalagay pa tayo mga sandbags, ito pala ang pinaka-effective.
Yan po ang maganda po. Tsaka it also helps out push the tsunamis away. Ang aming pong mangrove ay malaki po ang cover. So hindi po namin nararamdaman yung alon papasok. So talagang it saved us. Kung wala po yung aming vast na mangrove forest, medyo baka kung ano po nangyari sa bayan namin. So from then on po, tuloy-tuloy po naging programa natin. We have coastal cleanups, we have a lot of environmental awareness, kasama po sa elementary, sa high school, pati po sa state college natin. Hanggang ngayon po naging part na ng buhay nila ang ating environmental campaign. It's no longer a campaign, it's a habit. Kasama na po sa araw-araw namin ginagawa yung care and concern. Yun po ang pinakamagandang nagawa po ng ating program with MPIC. In fact po, last year, 2014, isinali po namin yung programa sa Pearl Awards ng ating Association of Tourism Officers of the Philippines. And we were recognized with the second best tourism event in the whole country for the municipality category. So marami pong nagagawa. And this year, last year din po, na i-launch natin ang pinakaunang Mangrove Protection Information Center, again with the help po of MPIC. So nagpapasalamat po kami kay Mr. Manny Pangilinan, kay Ma'am Melody, sa lahat-lahat po ng bumubuo ng MPIC, sa walang sawang pagsuporta po. Nakikita naman po nila na yung aming counterpart rin, yung gigil na binibigay ng mga taga Del Carmen, taga Siargao towards the programs ay klarong-klaro po at hindi po nasasayang. So ngayon po, nare-recognize na po yung ating programa on a nationwide scale, and we're really happy na we were there from the start. Tsaka sana po tuloy-tuloy po yung pagsuporta nila Ma'am Melody sa iba pa pong mga lugar na kung saan po nangangailangan ng kanilang suporta.
Pero siguro pinakamainam, batiin nyo muna yung mga tiga Siargao sa inyo pong salita. Paano po ba?
nga po.
Oo.
Sorry,
Sige. Sige,
medyo
Mayor.
naging excited po ako magkwento. Maradyaw na buntag sa tanan Surigao nun, sa tanan taga Siargao na inikuman sa Metro Manila o na cover ng DWIZ. Salamat karadyaw sa inyo pamati sa pagsuporta. Puhon, nabatian ta ninyo at istorya, apilin ni sa ato pagpakilaya, pagpalambo sa ato mga programa para mudaghan pa ang suporta na ihatag sa ato.
Okay. Ang salita nyo po ron